This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Hardy. Fabulous home in Cascade Lakes. This sought-after Cypress III model is light and bright and features an open floor plan with split bedrooms. Accordion Storm Shutters, tile on the diagonal, Plantation Shutters, newer appliances, wine cooler are just a few of the many upgrades. The extended patio is one of the many extra features in this home. Some furniture is available/negotiable. The clubhouse at Cascade Lakes was recently renovated and has an on-site manager. With tennis, pickleball courts, indoor and outdoor pools, billiards room, card rooms, library ballroom for shows, clubs and organizations you'll never want to leave. Conveniently located to shopping and close to downtown Atlantic Avenue. Measurements are approximate and not guaranteed. Sold as is for seller's convenience. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Hardy at 561-981-9400.